Tribit Stormbox Flow, a beautiful 25 watts mini powerful speaker, guys. It can easily fit in my pocket. Welcome back, you're Ninja Mohammed from Tech YouTube channel. Today we'll be testing this budget-friendly speaker, portable speaker, guys. Up to 30 hours of runtime, 25 watts output power, and it does have also waterproof resistance. Anyway, it's a Bluetooth connectivity obviously option, so I did connect it with my smartphone. Here it is. It is connected to my smartphone, guys. I'm just jump immediately to YouTube, and it's already connected to this phone, and I can easily right now control my phone with this speaker. Check it out, guys. And for the end, the volume, max volume. Super powerful, super powerful. Without a doubt, insane. Let's begin with this review. The buying links will be in the description. Enjoy!
The Tribit Stormbox Flow speaker is all about versatility. You can stand it upright for a more focused and intimate audio experience, perfect for those solo jamming sessions. Alternatively, laid flat for a wider sound dispersion that's ideal for entertaining a room full of guests. It's the perfect companion for both indoor and outdoor use. And let's not forget, it boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, making it the perfect companion for private beach visits or rainy days during outdoor camping. The speaker is compact and light, weighing just around 660 grams, and it can fit in my pocket with no problems. Now, let's talk about the heart of this audio powerhouse. The Tribit Stormbox Flow delivers an impressive 25 watts of pulsating sound that will have you immersed in the audio world. The distinct vocals and powerful bass are unlike anything you heard before. What makes it even more special is the Tribit's proprietary X-Bass tuning DSP technology, which boasts the bass by a staggering 10 dB at the same power playback. With just the press of a button, you can transform your audio experience into a bass driving journey. Tribit has its own app, which offers more customization indeed.
Guys, let's check it out right now. The equalizer. With the speaker, you can only get 3 different versions, but with the app, you can get more. Plus, you can customize your equalizer, your preferences. This is the bass. X-Bass is off. Let's turn it on. Very powerful bass, guys. Audiobook. Classical. X-Bass is the best.
And I love it, man. It's super easy to use it and super easy to connect your Stormbox Flow speaker with it. Here's where the Stormbox Flow really stands out. It's packed with a 4800 mAh battery and empowered by the revolutionary run stretch technology. This grants an extraordinary 30-hour battery life with the X-Bass turned off and 24 hours with the X-Bass turned on, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes on long journeys without worrying about running out of the power. And when it's time to recharge, it's a breeze with the Type-C port. Just 4 hours for a full charge. The speaker also incorporates the latest tech, Bluetooth 5.3, providing with an impressive wireless distance range of around 40 meters. But wait, there's more. You can double your joy by pairing 2 Stormbox Flow speakers for an immersive stereo effect. This means you can lose yourself in rich, dynamic sound like never before. Whether it's for personal listening or an event, this feature has you covered. And speaking of parties, you can activate party mode to elevate your gatherings with a doubled volume. Plus, there's an awesome hidden gem, reverse charging. You can use this speaker as a power bank to quickly charge your smartphone, ensuring the audio never stops.
Okay, guys, another cool feature is the EQ selection. The light is turned off. This is the Tribit default sound. Now let's turn the white light. This is the X-Bass mode, guys. Deep bass. And the blue light is always on for the audiobook mode, guys. I prefer, guys, the X-Bass mode, to be honest. It's super powerful. I love it. Another great feature is the voice assistant, man. 2 seconds hold here and should activate Play Store.
To continue, I need access to your Spotify account.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Awesome, man. Play it back now. Superb. Okay, guys, we'll be testing it right now indoors, the minimum and maximum volume. So this is like a minimum volume. Check it out. You can't hear that much, to be honest. It's 30%. 70%. 100%.
Even if I move from Africa to Mexico, because of you, I like your colors, rainbow. Maybe this.
Okay, we're gonna go back here. Let's go to normal video. Guys, I'm maybe 6 meters away, guys. My room is blasting, guys, blasting. Okay guys, let's go and test this speaker outside the Tribit Stormbox 4. That's 10 meters and it's very loud. Okay guys, this is 10 meters and it's very loud, to be honest, from here. Almost 10 meters, maybe 8 meters. 8 meters, man. Very loud. Bringing closer the microphone. Very loud. Very loud. Unbelievable how such a mini powerful speaker, 25 volts only, guys, can be powerful this much. That's very strong. Let's go next now. Okay, why not do a gaming test and latency test with this speaker? Let's check it out. There is a delay, guys. There is a delay. It is noticeable. So they are not for gaming. FPS games, you can maybe, if that bothers you, if you are very accurate and you want to have precise latency, then this speaker is not for you for the gaming. But again, it's not advertised as a gamer speaker, guys. It's just for everyday use, isn't it? Some other games like racing games should be fine, man. But I do love to add a gaming test, even if this product is not gaming or orientated. Let's go next. Small water pour test. Just dry it after that. Let's go. Dry it a little bit. There you go. Insane. Epic speaker. Epic speaker.
In conclusion, the Tribit Stormbox Flow speaker is all about versatility, powerful sound, epic battery life, and immersive party capabilities. It's the perfect companion for your audio adventures, whether you are chilling solo or throwing in an epic event. So get ready to elevate your audio experience and get yourself one. The price tag is under $80, so it's very affordable. Until the next time, in our next tech episode, مع السلامة.